So here are 3 things you must know about Tesla's Q2 earnings report. So let me go ahead and actually just start sharing my screen so you can see exactly the volatility that we saw during the aftermarket trading session. I actually live streamed this in today's video. So if you guys want to see what it was actually like, watch my previous video and or just subscribe to our channel. And I upload new videos every single day about the stock market. So if you're an absolute beginner, just make sure that you stay connected. So the first thing that you must understand is their earnings per share. Their earnings per share, their expectation was set at $1.80 and it came in at $2.27. So obviously beating it with a 26% surprise. Now when it comes down to their expected revenue, they barely beat expectation. Their expected revenue was set at 16.92 and they came in at 16.93, barely surpassing their expectation. I'm actually going to be sharing this with you just so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm looking at. Expectation, what they reported, expectation, what they reported. Now this is based off of what I've seen, 5 consecutive months where they've beat expectation when it comes down to overall earnings. This is a step in the right direction for Tesla, to say the least. So I decided to reduce my position size. I decided to play it safe. I missed out on a 1.5% gap up. In the grand scheme of things, one of the things that I always like to ask myself is, regardless if I'm green or red, even after the action that I choose to take, is the habit that I implemented something that is healthy for the grand scheme of things? And in my opinion, it is. Yes, I did not reap the benefit of 1.5% for having $140,000. I reduced my position size to half of that, and I missed out on 1.5% on half of that. But the habit of taking risk management into consideration is so much more valuable to me than that 1.5%. So I still think I did the right thing. You let me know down in the comment section. With that being said, I wanted to make sure that I set you guys up for success for tomorrow. 1 hour before the market opens, there is an initial claims report that is set to be released. The expectation is at 240K, and we will see how the market reacts to that tomorrow, 1 hour before the market opens. And the other thing that you guys must be aware of is that, well, what stocks report earnings tomorrow, right? Because this is earnings week, and the weeks that follow, other companies are reporting earnings. On my Webull platform, this is a very useful tool. If you guys want to download this platform, it is absolutely for free to use, and it's going to be the 5th link down below. You actually earn 6 free stocks by simply depositing $1. You should be aware that you can have more than one trading platform. So if you've been thinking of making a switch, especially to the one that I'm using, then again, click that 5th link down below. You'll earn 6 free stocks automatically, and it literally, you only need to deposit $1 to earn those 6 free stocks. So tomorrow, Snapchat, AT&T, Nokia, the one I'm paying attention to, American Airlines reports earnings. This is, again, American Airlines before market opens, Nokia before market opens, AT&T before market opens. The only one is Snapchat, and that is after the market closes. What you'll normally see is bigger, not big, but bigger tech stocks are the ones that tend to report after the market closes. I don't know why, but I feel like they're just trying to allow the market to do its thing, and then after they just kind of like slap you in the back and be like, yo, this is how it actually played out today. So overall, a very successful day for Tesla. We shall see how the market reacts to it tomorrow. One of the things that I want to remind you is I do trade live every single morning right at market open. I don't know if you've ever had the ability to watch me trade live. One of my main focuses is sharing my thought process before I enter a trade, when I exit a trade, and even if I have to cut losses, right? It's part of the game, but sharing why I'm cutting losses. If you're an absolute beginner and you've wanted to learn more about the market, again, this is something that I do every single day live. It's not once a week, it's not once a month, it's every single day at market open. If you've been interested in learning more, I encourage you, click the 2nd link down below, learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit Group, and see if it's a good fit for you. The last thing that I do want to remind you is today only, really, well, for the next, now it's 12 hours. For the next 12 hours, we are doing an automatic discount on all orders. Every order gets a free flag. So you guys see some of the flags behind me. You'll get it for free. So let's say that you wanted to pick up this mouse pad. What I'm going to do here is I can add it to my cart. So I'll do a quick view, add this one to my cart. I don't know which one's your favorite flag. That's the one that I have back there. It's the graffiti duck. I like the hustle to inspire. Let's say that I want the hustle to inspire flag, right? I get it automatically for free. So if I go to my cart, you will see that it automatically gives you the flag for free. So all you do is you pay for the mouse pad, you get the flag for free. And again, this also automatically enters you towards our giveaway. So we are doing a 3-day staycation, all expenses paid. I'm flying out 3 lucky winners. From August 23rd to August 25th, all expenses paid. Day 1, day 2, day 3 is explained in the giveaway section of the TechBuds or shoptechbuds.com. Super simple to enter. For every $1 you spend, it equals 5 automatic entries, and the winners will be selected on August 7th. So please make sure that if you've ever wanted to visit us at the HQ, all expenses paid trip, and if you wanted to pick up a mouse pad, some flags, whatever the case might be, we have everything. We have wall art, mouse pads, we have a series of different, day trader art. We even have just apparel, right? A profit notebook, whatever the case might be. For every $1 you spend, 5 automatic entries. Shoptechbuds.com or the 4th link in the description. So if you guys have any questions that you need to ask me, either about our live sessions, about joining my Learn Plan Profit group, if you have any questions whatsoever, I hope that you know that I respond to all of my direct messages within 24 hours, and that's that first link in the description. I'm very pumped for our live trading session tomorrow, and I hope to see you guys there. And again, that's that second link in the description. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I will see you tomorrow for our live trading session. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.